Christmas from the 1st of November. It's officially the time where DIYers and some crafters begin to prepare for Christmas holidays. So I'm going to have some few episodes where I'll be doing some quick DIYs for Christmas decorations. If you're looking for cheap Christmas DIYs, I'm your gal. I'm here to hook you up. Let's get to the first DIY, guys. The first DIY is me creating 3-cone yarn Christmas trees. So on this DIY, I am using party hats as my cones. So what I've done is I've already made the one. So this is the second one that I'm making. So what I did is I tried to narrow, if you can see where there's the masking tape, I tried to narrow the cone so that it's not as big as the actual hat that would fit a child's head. Then all I just do is to wrap my yarn around the hat until it looks full, and it wraps the whole head up until the tip. That's all that is to this DIY. So the third cone, I decided to use an old Cocoa Pops box because I wanted some height variation. So I cut that out and made a cone out of it. Then I covered it in gray yarn. Then on the 2 cones which I used, the party hats, I had some beads, wooden beads, for contrast, just to decorate the cones or the trees. I used hot glue and I glued them on the cone. The gray one, I think I love it the way it is. I might use the white beads on the other cone that is brown. I've not decided. I'm not happy with the beads that I have. These beads, guys, that you see here, back in the days I used to do jewelry. So these are some beads that were left. So I don't like this kind of white beads that I have. I would rather use some pearls, but then because we are here for some savings, so I don't know if I'll just decide to use the white ones that I have at hand, where I will not be spending any money, or I'll just leave it the way it is. I'll just see. Here I'm showing you guys how you can use your cones or your new Christmas trees that you've created for display. Did I not tell you that we are here to save some coins? So on these DIYs, we are using wrapping paper. I had some frames that I got from Pep for $10.99, 2 of them. Bought some wrapping paper for, I think it's $12.99 from Pep. Cut out sizes that will fit on the frames. Cut out 2. And look at that. This big one, I just got myself a gift bag. So this one, I did not want to cut it because I'm still going to use it. So I was just showing you guys. So you can cut it if you're not going to have any use for it. Because what happened is now it wasn't closing properly for me. I did manage to close it, but then it was just bulking a bit because of the bottom part. But it did the job. I got the bag, I think it was 30 rands. The frame, it's an A1, no, A2, A3 actually. And our fourth DIY is some cushions. I got myself these. I was actually not looking for these. There were some dishcloths that Pep had that were white and with I think they had some reindeers, if I'm not mistaken, or the trees were gold. Those were very nice. I looked all over for them, guys. I could not find, so I had to take this one. And even this one, I think that at the pip that I was at, this was the last one, so I had to take it. I used hot glue to close the sides, and then I used old pillows, the fillings. That's what I used. I put it inside these dishcloths to make some Christmas cushions. So this is how my little first phase decorations for Christmas is looking. How do you like the pillows, my cushions? So we have come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching till this far. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, bye.